Very excited. Before election, it will be like Talapati Vijay. Now it was CM Vijay. We are very excited. And then இது வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா ஒரு பெரிய ஒரு போராட்டத்துக்கு அப்புறம் வந்து after a very big struggle, we came into this celebration. This is a historic day. This is a historic day for Tamil cinema and also in Tamil Nadu politics. Before that, 1977, MGR was the first person to release his movie, Madurai Meeta Sundarapandyan. After his throne, after 6 months, Madurai Meeta Sundarapandyan was released. Same like that, Talapati Vijay also stamping his heroic stamp after MGR sir. It was a great celebration. I wish all of our Talapati fans to very big success for the movie. Thank you.
Actually super excited and also so emotional too, as this is the last movie. ஆனா இன்னொரு பெரிய விஷயம் என்னன்னா, the other important matter is that like we can see him daily, like he's in politics, so we can see him daily, not for a movie a year and not so that's also so happy for us. Yeah, we are so much excited. You can see the crowd. We have been waiting since 2 hours, so we are just waiting for the screen to open.
வணக்கம். நாங்க கோயம்புத்தூர்ல இருந்து வரேங்க. நான் வந்து ஒரு அஜித் ஃபேனு, தீவிர அஜித் ஃபேனு. என் ஒய்ஃபுக்காக வந்து விஜய் படம் வந்து ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஷோ பார்க்க வந்திருக்கேன். சரிங்களா? ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஷோ அவ இந்த டிஷர்ட் வாங்கி கொடுத்தா. இந்த டிஷர்ட் தான் போட்டு வரணும் நீ அப்படின்னு ரொம்ப எக்ஸைட்டடா இருக்கும். ரொம்ப நாளா வெயிட் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கோம் அந்த படத்துக்காக. அதனால நான் அன்னைக்கே ரிலீஸ் பண்ணியிருந்தா வந்து வெறும் ஜோசப் விஜய் வந்திருக்கோம். இன்னைக்கு மாண்புமிகு முதலமைச்சர் ஜோசப் விஜய் வந்திருக்கோம். நாங்க இதே மாதிரி அடுத்த படம் வராது, ஆனா அடுத்த ஆட்சியில நாங்க தான் நிற்போம். அடுத்த 10 வருஷம் 15 வருஷம் 20 வருஷம் ஆனாலும் ஜோசப் விஜய் என்னும் நான் அது வரைக்கும் அப்படியே தான் இருக்கும். நன்றி, வணக்கம். எல்லாரும் படத்தை பாருங்க, எல்லாம் தியேட்டருக்கு வந்து படத்தை பாருங்க.
I can speak English. Yeah, because of me he became an Ajit fan and now I am really excited since it's Talapathi's last film and really excited and little bit emotional since it's Talapathi's last film. Yeah, it was a very crucial time for Talapathi also because these many months it was postponed and now it is released finally and we are very much excited to see the Talapathi on screen. Thank you. Bye bye.
Yeah, hi sir. Yeah, seriously I'm very excited because I'm Talapathi fan from childhood. My mother also Talapathi fan. So we are excited not because of only this film but we are sisters of Chief Minister. So we faced so many struggles from political background and so many things, but whatever it is, so now we are excited to watch the film. Seriously, 6 months ago the movie was released in websites and those things and all. Even a single 10 to 30 seconds I didn't see because I'm a pure Talapati fan.
Hi, I'm Lakshmi Dakshan. I'm from Somnath, Coimbatore. I'm very excited to see Jananayagan in this theatre FTFL show. I can't wait to see the show. I'm really excited more. And this one was the last movie of Talapati Vijay. I can't able to accept, but we want to accept that he was the Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu. But I didn't able to buy FTFL show, but I want to see the FTFL show in Katpanam Theatre. So I bought the ticket from all. I have asked to my friends and from all. So finally I bought the FTFL ticket and came to here to enjoy Talapathi's last movie, Jananayagan. I'm really excited to Jananayagan movie, and this was the last one. Thank you so much. Thank you.